Hi everybody, Paul here. In this video I'm going to talk about the dangers of a bad cooling fan on your vehicle, so stay tuned. Your cooling fan plays a major role to help keep different components on your vehicle cool. In front of the cooling fan, on the front of the vehicle, is the condenser, which helps keep the refrigerant in the air conditioner system cool. In front of the cooling fan, directly behind the condenser, is the radiator, which helps keep the engine coolant in the engine cool. Directly behind the cooling fan is the engine, which helps keep the engine cool. So the front of the cooling fan pulls air through the condenser and radiator, while the back of the cooling fan blows air onto the engine. The cooling fan is extremely important, especially when the vehicle is being driven in stop-and-go traffic or moving its speeds too slow to force air through the front of the vehicle. When a vehicle is being driven in stop-and-go traffic, you'll hear the cooling fan turn on and off from inside the vehicle. However, if you have two cooling fans and one of them fails, it'll still sound the same from inside the vehicle. The only way to know for sure if both cooling fans are operating is by doing a visual inspection while the car is idling. The driver's side cooling fan on this vehicle is no longer working and needs to be fixed as soon as possible. The dangers of a cooling fan not working is it can result in the engine overheating. Even if you have two cooling fans like this vehicle and just one of them fails, this can still result in the engine overheating. Engine overheating can cause engine misfire, causing uneven rotation and serious damage to internal parts of the engine. This could damage cylinders, pistons, head gaskets, cylinder heads, overhead cams, valves, and other things. This could require an engine overhaul or a complete engine replacement. Engine misfire will cause unburned fuel to be dumped into the exhaust system. This can damage oxygen sensors. This can also damage the catalytic converter by quickly raising the temperature of the catalytic converter, which can also cause the vehicle to catch on fire, which is why it requires immediate attention. If the temperature gauge on your dashboard ever starts climbing, this indicates your engine is overheating. The first thing you should do is turn off the air conditioner, open all the windows, and turn the heater and blower on maximum. This will help to lower the temperature of the engine. Next, get off the road where it's safe and when it's safe to do so. Turn off the engine and open the hood to help cool the engine, but do not remove the radiator cap, otherwise you'll be seriously burned. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.